Our solar system is located in the Milky Way Galaxy, which is just one of billions of galaxies located in the universe. It's full of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, which we can't even see. At its center, we believe there is a giant black hole around which the rest of the galaxy rotates, and the galaxy itself is flying through space at a high rate of speed. It's a barred spiral galaxy, which means that it has a twisting spiral shape with a bar of stars at the center, extending out into tentacle-like arms at the outer edges. It's also really, really old. Some of the stars in the Milky Way are estimated to be almost as old as the universe itself. If you've ever seen a photograph of the Milky Way Galaxy, it's not a picture a spaceship has taken. We've never been able to get far enough away from our own solar system to look back on our galaxy to see what it looks like. So any images are artist depictions or images of other spiral galaxies which are very similar in nature to ours. So how big is our galaxy? If we shrink down our solar system, remember that's about 3.5 billion miles across, to the size of a quarter, the Milky Way Galaxy is the size of North America. That's about 2,500 miles across. Our solar system is floating in one of the spiral arms about halfway out from the center of the galaxy. So we'd be out here, floating somewhere over the Rocky Mountains. Our galaxy is big, but it's not that thick. On this scale, the region outside of the central disk of the galaxy where our solar system is located would only be about 25 miles thick, a little over 3 times as high as a normal commercial airplane flies. At its true scale, that's about 1,000 light years thick compared to 100,000 light years across. So how many stars are there in the Milky Way Galaxy? Scientists estimate that there are around 200 billion stars. So how many is 200 billion? Take this handful of birdseed, for example. How many handfuls of birdseed would it take to reach 200 billion seeds? Believe it or not, you could fill up this football field 4 feet deep with birdseed to reach 200 billion. If we now build a galaxy using our previous scale, where it's the size of North America, we take about 1/3 of those seeds and place them in the middle of the country 250 miles deep to make the central bulge. Then, take the remainder and sprinkle them out around the rest of North America 25 miles deep. Are the stars near or close together? It turns out they're really far apart. You may have looked up at the night sky before and seen a bright, hazy band stretching all the way across the sky. We've talked about how our galaxy is more or less disc-shaped. When you look into the plane of our disc-shaped galaxy, there are so many stars glowing that it creates a bright stripe in the sky. That Milky Band is how our galaxy got its name. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is part of a group of galaxies called the Local Group. The Local Group is a cluster of around 30 galaxies that are relatively close together and that are moving together through space. The Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxies are the only large galaxies in the group, and Andromeda is the furthest space object that can be seen with the naked eye. Andromeda is 2.3 million light years away from us. So let's look at our galactic address. We're in the universe, located in the Local Group, and our galaxy is called the Milky Way. Our solar system is found in one of the arms of the Milky Way Galaxy, and we're located on Earth, which is a very unique planet. Remember that if you ever need to send a postcard out into space.